The first thing you want to do is download the Amazon Live Creator app from the App Store. It will prompt you to log in with your registered brand email. After that, it'll ask you to title your channel. A permanent channel URL page will be generated for you. This is where all of your streams will live. You can copy it and use it to promote your channel on all of the social media. So we want to create a new stream. So hit the plus button, and the first thing we're going to do is add some products. So when you get to add a product, you can scroll through and select your products. So we're going to put the XK60, the XKE128, you can also type it in the top here to go a little faster, the XK24, and our XK80. Hit save. The next thing you want to do is name your live stream. After that, we want to select our video source. Now you can use your phone camera, or you can use an external camera, and that's what we're going to choose so we can use vMix with this. So you'll select that to get your URL and stream key, and you'll send that to your email so you can type it in later. And they have more information right there with step-by-step instructions. So once you select external camera, save it, and then we can go ahead and schedule it. So we're going to schedule it for Thursday at 3 p.m. After you've scheduled your stream and added an image, now we can engage with the viewers. So let's get started. You can share a promotion with viewers. So you get your promotion ID in Seller Central, and then hit save, and then preview. After you've received your URL and stream key, go into vMix and select the streaming settings and choose a channel that you want to be on. And you want it to be custom RTMP server. And then you'll add in your URL and the stream key name. And then you want to choose your quality. And then you save and close. When it's time to stream, start streaming in vMix first, and then hit the Go Live button in the Amazon Live app. Now that you've set up your stream in the Amazon Live Creator app, as well as in vMix, you're ready to go live. Happy streaming!